Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of Leal Public School. How are you? Hope you all are good at home and enjoy your classes. Students, in the last video, we have do assignment of this chapter. In this class, we are going to start copy work of this chapter. Students, remember one thing: when you write in your notebook, please write neatly and don't mistake. And do your work as soon as possible and send it to your teachers. Is that clear? And now we will start our work. Okay, so chapter number 3. You should write chapter number in your first line and name of the lesson in your second line. Next, in third line, you should write part 1. Okay, so our first question is dictation words. Our first question is dictation words. Okay, look at this. What is our first dictation word? Our first dictation word is shapes. 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 You all speak with me and try to learn with ma'am. Okay. Shapes. Shapes. Next, size. Sizes. Size. Sizes. Size. Week. Weak. Week. Weak. Next, trunk. 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 Okay. Next is shrubs. 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 Okay. Herbs. 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 Next, herbs. 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 Okay. Next is climbers. 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 Bers. Climbers. Okay. Next is 8th number, creepers. 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 Okay. Next word is straight. Stragist. Stragist. Straight. Okay. Next is support. Next word is support. 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 Okay. Next is pumpkin. 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 Okay. Next is sunlight. Sunligst. Sunligst. Sunlight. Okay. Now, next dictation word is seeds. 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 Okay. Now, next is watermelon. Watermelon. Melon. Watermelon. Okay. Now, next is coriander. Next is coriander. 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 Okay. Now, moving to the next page. You all open your new page and you should write letter number in your first line. Then you should write question number 2. Fill in the blank. Remember one thing. You should write neat and clean. Okay. आपको एकदम neat and clean handwriting में अपना work करना है and don't mistake. Is that clear? Okay. Now our first fill up is most plants grow from. Yes, most plants grow from seeds. जो बहुत सारे प्लांट्स होते हैं वो किससे होते हैं? बीज से होते हैं, सीड से होते हैं. SEEDS. Seeds. Okay. Next is neem is a. Yes, neem is a tree. Neem क्या है? Tree है. TREE. Tree. Neem is a tree. Okay. Grapevine is a. Yes, climber. 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 Okay. Now, next is thick, hard and woody stem. Thick, hard and woody stem is called what? Trunk. 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 Okay. Now, next is plant that grow along the ground are called creepers. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. 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 Okay. Now, moving to the next page. Again, you should write lesson number in your first line. Then you start question number 3. Tick the correct statement and cross the wrong one. आपको क्या करना है, जो right है उसको टिक करना है और जो wrong है उसके ऊपर आपको क्रॉस करना है. ओके. Rose plant is a herb. Okay, rose plant herb है. Yes or no? No. That's why we put cross here. Is that clear? Okay. Now next is wheat plant is a creeper. Wheat plant is a creeper. No. So that's why we put cross here again. Yes. Now next is very big plants are called herbs. Very big plants are called herbs. No, it's wrong. That's why we put cross here. Okay, now next is the stem of neem tree is called trunk. Yes, because neem tree is a very big and strong plant, strong now. So that's why we put tick here. Okay. Now next is plant that need support to grow are called climbers. जिनको सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है ग्रो करने के लिए स्ट्रेट, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, क्लाइंबर्स. यस. ओके, सो वी पुट राइट हियर. ओके, नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अगेन. So you all open your new page and you should write lesson number 3 and question number 4 in your second line. Yes, what it is? Tick the correct answer. आपको क्या करना है, आपको कुछ ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, उसके ऊपर आपको टिक करना है जो सही है. Small and strong plants are, yes, small or strong. Okay, small and strong plants are herbs, shrubs or climber shrubs. That's why we take on shrubs. Okay. Plants which grow along the ground are, plants which grow along the ground are creepers, climbers, creepers or shrubs. Yes, along the ground. Yes, creepers. Okay, so we take on creepers. Very big plants are called, very big plants are called trees, herbs, shrubs. Very big and strong plants are called trees now. So we take on trees. Okay. Now next is small plants with soft and green stem are. Small plants छोटे भी हैं और उनकी green और soft stem है, तो उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं, ये climbers, shrubs or herbs. Okay. Now next question. Match the following. Again, you all open your new page and you should write lesson number 3 in your first line. Then question number 5. Match the following. Okay, in your second line. Then we start. Yes, look at this. What is right here? Neem. Second is wheat grass. Third is grapevine. Fourth is cotton plant. Fifth is pumpkin. Okay. So neem is a tree. That's why we put 1 number here. Wheat grass. Yes. What it is? Herb. Wheat और grass क्या होते हैं? Herbs होते हैं. Okay. Next, grapevine is a climber. Okay. Next, cotton plant. Shrub. Pumpkin. Creepers. Okay. Now again moving to the next page. Again, you should write lesson number 3 in your first line and part 2 in your second line. Then in your third line, you should write question number 6. Name them. Okay. Now, first question is most plants grow from. जो most of the plants होते हैं वो किससे grow होते हैं? Yes, you all know. Yes, the answer is seeds. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. Okay. Very small plants are called. Very small plants are called herbs. Okay. Now next is very big and strong plants are called. Very big, जो बड़े भी होते हैं और strong भी होते हैं, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Trees. Okay. Now next is thick, hard and woody stem is called. Thick, hard and woody stem is called trunk. Okay. Now next is small and strong plants are called. Small and strong. Yes, shrubs. Okay, now next is, again, you all open your new page and you should write lesson number 3 in it. in your first line, and question number 7 in your second line. Name the following. Okay. Now first is two big trees. Two big trees. Yes. Mango tree and neem tree. Yes. Now second is two herbs. Two herbs, grass and wheat. Two herbs कौन-कौन से होते हैं? Grass and wheat. Okay. Now next is two shrubs. Rose and cotton. Rose and cotton. Okay. Now next is two climbers. Yes, two climbers, grapevine and money plant. Okay. Now next is two creepers. Yes, creepers, pumpkin and watermelon, which grow along the ground. Okay. Now next is two plants that have thorns, cactus and rose. Okay. Now moving to the next page. Yes, again you should write lesson number 3 in your first line and question number 8 in your second line. Give answer in one word. Okay, give answer in one word. Which plant needs support to grow? कौन से ऐसे प्लांट है जिनको ग्रो करने के लिए सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है? Yes, climbers. CLIMBERS, climbers. Okay. Next, what does a seed has inside it? Yes, what does a seed has inside it? Seed के अंदर क्या होता है? A baby plant, एक छोटा plant होता है. Okay. Which flower grows in muddy water? Yes, कीचड़ में कौन सा flower होता है? Yes, lotus. This is our national flower. LOTUS, lotus. Okay, now question number 4 is which plant grow along the ground? Which plants grow along the ground? Creepers. Okay, is that clear? Now moving to the next page. Again, you should write lesson number 3 in your first line and question number 9. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What are trees? What are trees? Very big and strong plants are called trees. Very big and strong plants are called trees. Okay. Next is what are climbers? What are climbers? Plants that need support to grow are called climbers. Plants that need support to grow are called climbers. Okay. Now next is herbs. Small plants with soft stems. Soft and green stem is called herbs. Okay, again I repeated, small plants with soft and green stem are called herbs. Okay, next is what helps the seed to grow into a plant? What helps the seed to grow into a plant? Sunlight, water and air help the seed to grow into a plant. Sunlight, water and air help the seed to grow into a plant. So students, I hope that's enough for today's class. We will meet in next meeting. Till then, you complete your work and send it to us. Take care. Bye-bye.